Welcome to Amaze Zane online quiz. Let's review Grade 1 Spelling Quiz. B words. Spell the word sewage. Sewage water is used to irrigate the plants. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word chattid. We chatted about old times. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word foreign. It was fantastic to be in a foreign country. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word invention. Light bulb is Thomas Edison's invention. And the answer is letter C. Spell the word aunt. My aunt sent me a birthday present. And the answer is letter A. Spell the word spry. The old gentleman was as spry as ever. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word responsibility. We have a responsibility to protect the environment. And the answer is letter B. Spell the word vitamins. Did you remember to take your vitamins? And the answer is letter C. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Amaze Zane Online Quiz.